You want to learn how to write a sales letter? Well, of course you do, because you're back for part 7 of my 10-part series on my $50 million sales letter blueprint. I'll break it down for you today. I'm John Benson, and this is Sales Copy Secrets. Welcome back, and here we go with part 7. We're going to dive right in using Copy Pro. And John, again, do I have to have Copy Pro? Well, it would really help because it would give you 80% of this. But in case you don't, I'm going to break it down for you word for word. I'm just that kind of guy. Let's dive in. Okay, we left off here with this subheadline, measurable results you can count on. Pretty simple subheadline. And again, our subheadlines are what? You remember, right? They are forming an entire mini sales letter. Every little subheadline, if you reread them, go back and watch all the videos below on this particular topic, the $50 million sales letter, and you will see that they build a cool little mini sales letter. And I want you to notice the frame that I'm using here. So what can you expect in the way of results, and how fast can you expect to see them? Okay, what am I going to get? How fast am I going to get them? Now notice what I do here with the results. In as little as X days or X minutes, it doesn't matter, whatever yours is, you want the smallest possible time frame and the results they can experience, followed by a midterm time frame and the results they can experience around the midterm of their project with you, and then a long-term time frame and what they can experience. And see how I do this. In as little as 3 days, you'll begin to notice X, Y, and Z. Even more results come within 3 weeks when you start noticing X, Y, and Z. And then it just keeps getting better. In 90 days, that's all, X, Y, and Z. And that's all I'm doing here, okay? That is the fat-burning success you absolutely deserve. And we'll finally, we build into what are these bullets. Now, I've got a whole video on bullets below, sales bullets. Do check those out. Benefits as well, because you can use benefits as bullets. I'm going to break these down for you really, really quickly. Let you see your body and energy levels transform in front of your eyes, in front of the eyes of your loved ones. I'm going to give you that one because I think you can use this one outside of weight loss. You can use this one in a lot of different ways. Whether I let you see your marriage improve right in front of your eyes and in front of the eyes of your friends and loved ones. So it can be anything, right? Your dog training improve. Your dogs become more obedient in front of the eyes of everyone. The psychology here is in front of the eyes of yourself, your own eyes, and in front of the eyes of everyone else, because everyone deep down inside wants that. They don't want to be the only one seeing the results. They want to see the results themselves, whether that's in a mirror or psychologically or however they're experiencing the results spiritually. And they want other people to notice. Notice here that I'm starting with a verb, let you, empower you, deliver you, powerfully guide you. That's a modifier, guide. These are all verbs, right? Empower you to rapidly experience a surge in energy, deliver a way to burn thigh fat in 7 days. These are just flat out bonuses and benefits and right out of Copy Pro, pretty easy. Quickly decode, the best way for you to blank. So these bullets are really cool, really powerful. I do suggest that you steal them. And as always, I end with, and more, and there's more. Wait, it's wait, and there's more. I wasn't a television spokesperson. And now let's flip to testimonials, because you're going to need them. You're going to need a lot of them. And don't just take my word for it, please. The reviews are in and the results speaks for themselves. So I get kind of a cool way of framing testimonials. The reviews are in. Here's just a few of the near countless testimonials. I bet you can't guess which one's fake. Yes, this is a fake testimonial, but this is a tutorial. This is not a real sales letter. I've used this as a real sales letter. I did not use this testimonial. So I think, therefore, I lose fat. Rene Descartes. I was a philosophy major. Yeah, don't ask. And so here I just go through 3 testimonials. If you have 9, use 9. I just want to give a sample here, but 3 would be the absolute 3 would be the 3 would be the absolute minimum. 4 even better. But yeah, and the list goes on and on, by the way, at the end of everything. Backed by an industry leading results or else guarantee. So here's how I introduce my guarantee. Look, the truth. Notice the lines, the words I'm underlining and bolding in here. I'm using NLP a lot. Truth is one that I've underlined a lot. I refuse to take a penny from you unless I can really help you lose weight. I love that as a frame. First of all, it's true. Second of all, it's a fantastic way to get somebody to really let their card down so they can purchase from you. Look, I refuse to get paid by you unless I give you a result. I say that for everything, and it's the truth. If I can't help you, like if you buy Copy Pro and for whatever reason it just doesn't work for you, I don't want your money. That's the way I look at it. I only want your money if I can help you make money, if I can help you write better copy. And that's the way I think you should approach every product and every transaction. Now, you might want to study the way I worded this guarantee here because it's pretty well worded and you can take those words for yourself, but it's pretty much a straightforward guarantee. And check out how I transition. It really doesn't get much more fair than that, except for this. So I keep using these little word games and tricks to get people to keep reading. That's the game, man. That's the game. You got to get people to keep reading. That's what the subheadlines are for. That's what the dot, dot, dots are for. That's what the leading sentences are for, to get people reading down the sales page in rhythm, like we talked about in the video I did before. If you haven't seen that, go check it out. I want to give you $57 just for taking action today. Okay, now this is a really fun way of repositioning your bonuses. And like magic, the 57 changed to 176 because I had the wrong price put in there. That was human error. Okay, but check this out. I want to give you $176 just for taking action today. What is that 176? Well, I actually typed in the wrong figure earlier. 176 is the sum of the bonuses that I'm giving them if they buy the product. So this is a reframe of how to position bonuses. I'm going to give you $176 for taking action today. Pretty cool way of doing that, okay? So when you see the discounted price, you'll think it was a typo. Still isn't enough. I knew I could do better. I wanted to go way beyond and give you $176 in added bonuses. This expires Sunday at midnight in case there is an expiration on yours. If not, don't put that in there. And then I just go through the bonuses and explain what the bonuses are. Pretty straightforward stuff. And that brings us to the end of part 7. And next week, we'll dive in with the absolute steal at just $57, which, by the way, is what is called a faux price. I will explain it all next week. Until then, I want you to like, share, smash that bell for notifications, comment below if you enjoy this. And as always, I am John Benson, and I'm here to help make you unignorable.